got long
Draw
arms.
back and regroup.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a little bit more.
Trying to make it even, huh?
Great.
I cut my losses.
Well, man, you think you got it?
Go back to the arterial series.
I think you can go to church. Wait a minute, Dad, go on.
Ah, you got her.
You think there's any way? I got 3 of them. She got 4.
Randy ran.
No wonder.
Hey, do you think you can? God, quit, girl. You think there's any, what if you miss church? Will that be a
Time for
big
the
deal?
big gun.
Oh, okay. Hey, listen, quit. Listen.
I got that karate guy.
Do short fight.
Oh, man. Oh, God. Quit. Ow! I got 4. She's got 4. Huh? Nah, big one.
Uh-oh.
Me?
Getting reinforced these.
Me? I haven't bowled in a long time. Why, y'all gonna bowl? Hold on. Hey, you wanna go? You wanna go bowling?
Now?
Do you want us to go with? Are you inviting us or just asking?
What's the difference?
He asked if I knew how to bowl. I didn't know if he was asking.
I know, I'm good.
Lord, now. That'll hurt.